everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change phone number on Viber. If you want to change your phone number on Viber, it's quite simple. The first thing is open up your app and then tap on the more icon, tap on the settings icon, then tap on account. Then you can see change phone number, tap on it. Now changing your phone number will keep everything as it was, just under a new number. Your chats, community, stickers and settings will not be affected. Don't worry, your credits and subscriptions associated with your current phone number will transfer to your new phone number. Please note that any credits and subscriptions previously linked to the new phone number will be deleted. Now, all Viber users who have your current phone number saved in their contact list will receive a notification that your number has changed. If you want to continue with this, click on continue. Now, there are two ways you can do this. You can change your phone number if you have a new phone number, and if you have a new phone number and a new device. Now, if you only have a new phone number, choose the first option. So you can change your phone number on the same phone without losing any data. Click on continue and follow the on-screen prompt. But if you have a new phone number and a new device, you will have to first for backup your data and then change your phone number on your old phone. It's as simple as that. Once you click on this, then you can now continue from there. Don't forget that all Viber users that have a number saved in their address book will receive a notification that your number has changed. Then you click on continue and follow the prompt. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.